Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are replacing a water pump for an ice machine at a restaurant. Water pump went bad, so we came out here today and replaced it. This is what the water pump is. That's the water pump. So water comes in and water goes out to the. Those are the coils. That's where the ice forms, and you can see. Ice is starting to fall here. This is a hose blocking ice machine. This is what they call a self-contained, because I have the compressor, the evaporator coil back there with the fan, and this is my condenser fan motor. My condenser fan motor, compressor, and this is my evaporator. And these are my water filters. Filter the water coming in. And this is again the water valve. That's the flow switch. So machine is in harvest mode. Something nice. So we got again another happy customer. So call us for our AC heating refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay. See you guys in the next video. All right. Bye bye.